Good sleep and bone health. What's the link?
Many people wonder if good sleep can help build stronger bones. Recent studies suggest that how well and how long you sleep may play a role in bone health. Let's explore what science has discovered about the connection between your nightly rest and the strength and density of your bones.
How sleep affects your body's repair systems.
Sleep is crucial for your body's recovery and repair processes. During deeper sleep stages, the body releases growth hormones and carries out essential tissue repair, including bone. When you don't get enough quality sleep, these important functions can be disrupted, which may negatively impact how bones maintain their strength.
Research on sleep patterns and bone density.
A growing body of research links poor sleep with lower bone density. Studies have found that people who regularly get less than 6 hours of sleep or experience poor sleep quality are more likely to show decreased bone density and a higher risk of fractures compared to those who sleep well.
Other habits that support strong bones.
Good sleep is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular weight-bearing exercise, a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, and not smoking or drinking excessively all help support strong bones. Combining healthy sleep patterns with these habits gives your bones the best chance to stay healthy.
Tips for better sleep and stronger bones.
To help protect your bones, aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Stick to a consistent sleep routine, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid caffeine late in the day. Pairing good sleep hygiene with bone-friendly nutrition and exercise may help you maintain strength and health as you age.